Hello friends, recently 32 countries voted in favor of the constitution of the inquiry committee to investigate Russia's action in Ukraine in the United Nations Human Rights Council. The United Nations Human Rights Council is an intergovernmental body which was established in 2006 with the aim to protect and promote human rights throughout the world. It was established in 2006 to replace the United Nations Commission on Human Rights. The United Nations Human Rights Council has 47 member states which are elected by the United Nations General Assembly for the period of 3 years through direct and secret ballot. The members are not allowed for the re-election after they have served for the two consecutive terms. The United Nations Commission on Human Rights, which was established in 1946, established a drafting committee for making the Universal Declaration of Human Rights 1948, which is also considered as Magna Carta of all rights. Please write me in the comment box the current chairman of the United Nations Human Rights Council. Thank you.